Wow, I'm actually about to vlog right now. Right? A while. Have all my stuff here. What I need. So yeah, I haven't done a vlog in a while. Hey, I haven't done a vlog in a while because I've been going through it, and I feel like, you know, this is a fresh start. So you guys are gonna come along with me on my trip to Europe, and it's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be fabulous, and you're all gonna enjoy with me, and you know, come along with me and where I go and stuff. But I'm really excited about this because basically this was planned back in 2020, but unfortunately, you know, that thing happened, and then everyone was sort of like stuck for 2, maybe even 3 years doing nothing. So now we're here, we're about to do it. It's gonna be a fun time, and I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you enjoy all the vlogs that I pop up after this day. It's gonna be a wild ride. You guys already know that I have quite a fun personality. I should say that myself. No, I'm kidding. I'm not kidding. I'm actually quite serious. I think I'm a fun person. I'm a fun person. But no, I hope you guys enjoy this, and please be interactive. Like, it's been a long time, so I just want to have like a fresh start and not be in my head a lot, and just because honestly I was enjoying doing this because it was nice to kind of look back at like these YouTube vlogs and see what I've been doing and what I've done and where I've been. And yeah, it was just like a good time, like editing, just like remembering. Oh, the Uber's here. Okay, let's go for a hill. Oh, help me with all these boxes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Guys, I just checked in, and it was probably the fastest check-in I've ever, not even check-in, I just checked in my bags. I checked in yesterday, but checked in my bags, and it was insanely fast. I was like, what the freak was that? I've never checked in my bags that fast. It was like less than 2 minutes, probably one, just straight up one, or even 30 seconds. So it's really busy out here, but you know, there's some coordination, which is good. That helps. See you guys on the other side. I made it through. Now to find my gate. Wait guys, I have not slept. I will insert a video of what I was doing basically this morning, well, yesterday afternoon through all the way this morning. So I got home around 2 o'clock. I got home around 2. I mean, it's a vibe. We only live once. You have to enjoy it. So I'm gonna insert the clip now. Back shot, somehow you got extra, forget me that. When it's sweet, what you say? Fever, I am the morning. I'm feeling everything fresh. I don't love make a turn on fresh. Fever, I am the morning. I'm feeling everything fresh. My good love make a turn on fresh. When you look back on you, I mean that. I just landed in Belgium. Martin's flight just arrived because I just saw some Etihad workers come out. So I'm standing here And I'm just so excited. This has been like 4 years for him, about 3 years for me. So this is amazing. Well, it's 4 years for Belgium, yes, but Europe in general, it's 3 years. So I'm like super excited. Oh my goodness. This is so, I have like no words. I have absolutely no words. No words. I'm so happy. This is like the best day. I just saw Martin and I'm trying to hide away from him. I just saw him come out of the I'm so done. Okay, I need to figure out. Wait, I'm gonna go up and see. I think he's looking for me because he knows where my baggage is. So I think he's looking for me. So he probably thinks I'm sitting there, but he'll come to soon enough. Wait. He looks so good. He looks so fresh with his outfit. Look at who it is. Also, furthermore, it's here. He just gave me this. So I'm not sure if you guys know this, but we're obsessed with the Amazing Race. And when we first did our French bike ride, Martin was giving me this on every leg of our trip. So now we're doing the Italian trip, and I don't want to open it because it's so well, like, look at this, look how perfect he's like put it in this envelope. So I'm not gonna open it yet. I'm gonna open it when I'm like relaxed, because I'm kind of really hyper right now. And I'm just taking deep breaths just to be like, okay, it's all good, calm down. So I'll do it when we're probably like at our like Airbnb or something. But I've kissed this so many times. I'll see you guys soon. We're excited. Because I've planned out my ideas. So basically what I'm gonna do is vlog. So today is Martin's brother's birthday. So I'm just getting my makeup done. I am wearing this cute outfit from Tiger Mist. You can see it from the back there. It's very spring, summer. So yeah, hey vlog. So I'm nearly finished. Just thought I would hop on here real quick before I really get it together. I'm just gonna stand in the sun. Oops, no, it's too bright. Maybe here, this is perfect. So this is what it's looking like right now. This is the vibe I'm going for. Cute, super simple, you know, nothing too crazy. I'm not sure if you guys can already tell, but we're like in the countryside. I'm honestly loving the vibes today. It's like the sun is shining. Okay, perfect. Hey vlog.
Ah, bonjour Christian.
Bonjour. I mean, he's more crazy than him.
C'est Olivier.
Morning vlog. It's quite late in the day. Well, not late, it's like 10:07. But we've been waking up super early the last couple of days. But today, I wanted to wake up a little bit later just because I want to walk, take my time. Also, it's Sunday. It's Easter Sunday. Sorry about the lighting. It's terrible. But it's all good. Yeah, so walking to Martin's mum's place, and his brother's having a barbecue today. I was initially morning. Oh, hey cutie. Hi. Anyways, what was I saying? So yeah, so his brother's having a mini barbecue today because his friends are coming over. Yesterday was his birthday party, which went really well, and today is, yeah, just another day on a Sunday yeah, it's very lazy Sunday for me personally. I didn't want to like rush or like, you know, I just wanted to take my time today. So such a nice day here in Brussels. I can't really tell you the name of where I am. Everyone's plot of land has such good gardening here. I'm just like obsessed. Like, look at this. Everything's been taken care of. It's like so adorable. I really love it. Cuckoo.
Ah, eso. Chin chin.
Good morning, vlog. I'm gonna show you the sunrise. Hey vlog. So basically, at home, well, I'm at the Airbnb. Martin's gone to see his parents at his parents' place. That's usually what we do. Anyways, we wake up in the morning and then we go to see his family and then we're there the entire day and then we come back. So we're basically using this Airbnb just to get dressed, have a shower and sleep. So basically I'm going to do what I did the last time, which was walk to their place. And it's so beautiful here. It's just like, and also his brother's making frites today, which is like fries. They're leaving tomorrow, so it'll just be actually his dad's leaving too, so it'll just be us three, his mum, Martin and I. Yeah, I really love this part of Belgium. It's like literally blocks of farmland everywhere. I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna pray, and then I'm gonna pick, is it this one? Oh, no, I'm gonna pick one of these quotes for the day. And then I'm gonna have a shower. And that'll be me, walking. Also guys, my skin has been doing really good. It's been doing amazing. And like all my pictures, I feel like my pictures look extra nice, which is really odd. I don't know how that can happen, but hey, I'm not complaining. I'm totally happy about this sudden change of skin glow, you know what I mean? There's like skin glow in LA and then there's skin glow in Belgium. So yeah, I'm kind of liking it. I'm really enjoying this. I feel confident. I feel like myself. I even finished editing my Paris vlog from yesterday when I went to Paris. But I couldn't sleep. I slept, well, I think I only slept 3 hours because I was super excited, but then I was also a little like, I don't say frustrated. I was a little like, was it, would I say antsy? I was like, oh my gosh, I need to get the editing done because I haven't posted in a really long time. Last time I posted was like during my birthday in December, and I haven't really been feeling like posting in a long time because of my how I feel. Okay, I'm a very sensitive person, and a lot of the times if I'm not doing something, then it means it's something's off there. I'm not entirely fully like myself, or I just don't want to do it. But you know, I'm feeling really good, so I literally woke up at like 2:30 to edit a video, and I edited, finished it, posted it. Thankfully, with the time difference, you know, it's perfect because over here it's like really early in the morning, and then in another country it'll be like, say Australia, it'll be like middle of the day or something, or middle of the next day. So it works perfectly. Yeah, did that, and then Martin woke up because I was super excited, and I was like, hi babe, oh my god. And then he gave me a hug, and then we went back to the bed. I slept on him, and then he went to see his parents, and then I slept a little more, and now I'm up. Oh, someone just texted me. Okay, anyway, so I'm gonna get going. I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna go have a shower. I'll see you guys when I'm walking, because I want to just like get it done ASAP right now, quickly. Hey vlog, I'm on my way now to mom's place. Another beautiful day here in Belgium. Blue skies, just perfection. Hey everyone, so right now I'm with Mona. We've had lunch and I'm just about to sleep under the sun. I've been doing that every day for the last week or 2 weeks. Hey Mona. Merci Lo.
You're welcome. Thank you again for everything.
You are welcome, darling.
Wonder Woman.
No, we are Wonder Women. Ugh. Come on up. Yes?
Sometimes you more, sometimes less.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, c'est clair. Oui, parce qu'elle dit que les sauvages, ils sont beaux. Les sauvages, ils tiennent. Parce que ça décore un petit peu, hein.
So today it is just all 3 of us. All the family has left and gone. And we're just having an aperol before we begin to eat. This is stunning. Thank you, Mama.
Magnifique.
Wow. This is the perfect. So beautiful. Good morning vlog. So it is our last day here at the Airbnb. So I'm just packing up our boxes. Yeah, I think we've been here for like the last 2 weeks. So we're just trying to like try and transition into our next phase of this trip, which is super exciting. But we're gonna be staying at his mum's just to make it a little bit more cheaper because, you know, we're paying for the Airbnb after all. And also we have other plans happening in the future. What else? Oh, I really want to burp, but it's not happening for some reason. But yeah, I'm just trying to like pack everything up. Today I plan on getting my hair braided. Fingers crossed that works out. You guys will see it on the next vlog, my hair. But I'm just gonna end the vlog here, and I will basically catch you guys on the next vlog. And I hope you've enjoyed this time here in Belgium with me and Martin's family. Obviously I can't show too much of his family just out of respect for him and obviously what he wants, private life. So yeah, but nonetheless, I hope you've enjoyed all the things that I have showed you. Belgium is such a beautiful place, and I'm so grateful that I get to live more closer to like the farm side of things, and agriculture and just like animals, because I do love nature, and this is exactly what I wanted, because I feel like it's important to be connected with nature. We are human beings after all, and I think a lot of the times us being in such fast, busy, and having fast, busy like lives, we forget, you know, that we're from the ground, we're from the roots, and it's important for us to just at times have moments of just like stillness. Hope you've enjoyed this vlog, and I'll catch you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Ciao.